Question everything about yourself.
All right, I'm game.
Okay. But beautiful sunset.
Awesome.
Beautiful sun. Had that as a thought.
Looks like
Capture the bear and saddle the person. No, I would kill the person. We need to euthanize the idiots. It's all a lot of people know how to do too. Well,
campsite.
We're gonna find. Should I restart? No, I've already got point 0.09 on my watch.
Well, let's hit.
Oh, buddy. Nick.
How you feeling about that?
I feel bad because my girl I can almost flip over and go off like, I'm sorry, buddy.
Snakes don't have ears.
Vibrations from my heights pitch screech were so intense. There he goes.
See you, buddy.
Sorry, buddy.
Hope you find a good little man.
Near-death experience 1. Check.
Check.
Let's see how many. Tiny bit cooler. Sun coming through.
Yeah. Yeah, they're not bothering me at all. Ooh, slippery.
Go through and now it's like cold because like all the sweat, you know, and my legs have cooled down. About a mile and a half.
Yeah, I got 1.4. No, I'm sorry, 1.87. I wouldn't filter.
Probably. So, that's it also. Is that the water source I remembered is flowing.
Danielle leading us downhill. Oh, yeah.
Out of a rock, you know, and that's where he lives. To be able to make your house like literally just on this. His house technically is, yes, very portable. You would put your house, like if you, yeah.
It's camp.
Yes. Yes, well, yeah. Yeah. I think it's on Apple TV. It's called Search Party. And it's like, and so there's some party and then some guys. So this, but obviously,
Hell, I got so damn glycogen depleted that, but it has cooled down nicely.
Where left?
Oh, and when it's raining in my face, it's definitely there. It's gonna be nice. Get a good whore bath in the creek.
Sure.
Well, that's gorgeous. That's gorgeous.
Are you pointing that back here? Fine.
It is.
Okay.
It's so cool. Just this moss looks so soft. Just want to lay on it.
You getting that or am I?
Good. I'll get this good cold right here.
There.
But there's a couple.
Someone lived there.
No, too wet. You wouldn't want to live there. I'm sure there's much better options than this.
Yeah, you're probably right. You're probably right. 700 feet. I don't know what that is. And just take the water filter filter or the water thing on there.
Yeah.
Leave it up there.
10-4.
So this says 5.93, so maybe half, or I mean, what was I say, quarter.
Area here. Coming up, Baxter, Danny went down. She's gonna fill it up. Fill up. That's coming up, so we get our choice of campsite. Good. There's whore bath. Just wash off real good. It's fucking middle of June, but hell, I just love that about the Appalachians, man. Just love this nice, you know. Yeah, get up trip so far and just keeps getting better. You're crazy about how swift that transition occurs from this. It's almost like someone just drew a map point. Makes all the difference. Looking forward to getting camp set up and just chill. Endurance runs, endurance hikes, backpack. Getting Mike Wisman in the group now. Hey fellers, thought I'd check in with you. We're up here on almost to the top of Mount Sterling. It's got to be about 69, 68 up here with that wind blowing. Watch a good sunset. See you fellers later.
So that was
almost to the top. It is struggle bus.
You asked for it.
But we're there. There she is, beautiful vista. Could be. You never know. Let's go find some campsite. You know where I'm at. We're gonna climb this thing? What's this solar farm over here? It's like
It's nice and soft, all that stuff in there. So yeah, I think
Lord.
it's nice for relaxing.
Level spot, so we decided to bail on what was going to make do of. Me and Danny found this money spot up in here. You think?
Oh, there's bear cables up here.
Oh, perfect. That's the first thing you say when they come up here.
Hey.
She's gorgeous. Not a bad looking little spot.
Very bourbony, I can tell you that though. I can smell it. Okay.
Good?
Cool enough. Good. Perfect as always.
Nice.
Go. Oh,
Howdy.
getting ready to tell you I was gonna.
Sure. All nice and clean, washed up, clean clothes on. Or chicken and dumplings and chicken risotto?
Mushroom risotto.
Mushroom fire tower and catch the sunset.
That too. That too.
I ain't the best with heights, so I ain't gonna try to film on the way.
Securely.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna I'll put the GoPro.
Do you want me to put the food in under my belly? In my belly?
No, I'm good. I just want to envy.
I don't have very much left in. I have enough, I guess.
So we try to get up to the so that's where that ended. We just ate, getting all cleaned our teeth, and just had some good nice talks. Well, good morning. Made it through the night. I got a little cold. Rainfall off the tent, the wind blowing. I had a 50-degree. Made it through. Danny woke up and let me share her bag a little bit, kept me warm.
Oh, I was sweating all night long.
Yeah.
So hot and toasty. So we're gonna see if we can spot Jared down at our camp. Woo! Real close, you can see a little bit of orange in there. Oop.
you have fun at the tower?
Is it scary at all? Yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Approximately.
Push a 10. Y'all can't trust a woman around here.
And then like up there, there's this island.
After that last little bout of uphill, hopefully Danny's lies have stopped. The intersection with this, what is it, Fat Bottom Girl Trail to make the hiking world go round.
So we are doing there and connect to, well no, I guess it's not. Right. I'll show you later. Just seeing them in that water.
Old grotto all the way down there, huh? You fell in the water.
I did?
A tributary of the same creek.
There should be a little bridge to the left.
Take a little break. Talk Danny and smoke one of them joints. Good. I heard there was a place for us to wear your feet up here.
There is.
Okay. Bubbler? Y'all know what that is yet. It's coming soon. Burt Bubbler.
All to yourself.
So, cool. Limestone. That'd be a good bubbling butthole place. Flush spot getting fucking eat up by bugs. Yeah. I'm gonna try to go down. Hey, cutie.
That's so pretty. Look at that in the sun.
You know what I mean?
Sorry, this is to say something profound.
No.
Look at this
I
back
think you
off.
can fucking beer with me.
Yes,
That's what, about 2.5 miles. So that's about 45 minutes. How's that feel there, Danny Ray?
I think we're gonna need to aim.
About 11 miles total back. So out here, first time I heard 10.7 was this morning.
Because you don't.
Should get my cool out there and grab some beer, celebrate this big.
Look at this. What is this? What is that? 2 kinds that are in there? Okay. Want this one? I'll take this one.
Cheers, bestie.
Cheers.
I love you. I'm so glad you brought me on this trip.
Fun was had by all.
Pound this, maybe get a cold bath. Definitely get a burger and stuff. Huh?
Let's talk more drinking.